As an electric-powered bicycle, it complies with EN 15194. Therefore, Snap does not require any insurance coverage or license plates for the EU market. It meets easy accessibility, high comfort and safety, and low maintenance requirements. Representing a unique feature of Snap, the closed cockpit provides protection against adverse weather conditions. Snap reaches a maximum speed of 25 km per hour, has a curb weight of 130 kg and a maximum payload capacity of 160 kg, and is powered by two 980 Wh batteries with a range of 60 km, expandable to 120 km with battery replacement. Two power levels are available: 250 W for the pedelec version compliant with EN 15194, 1000 W for the speed pedelec version L1EA. Although the Snap concept was preliminarily explained with the help of de-rendering and CAD drawings, the original contributions of this work are the introduction and description of the fully functional prototype along with the detailed discussion of the entire power transmission and its experimental